Hello everyone. Have you ever thought about a guided setting? My name is Fabian. Have fun. Today in my studio, our product manager for small circulation pumps HVAC. Setting assistant is the keyword. Simon, which pump we are talking about today?
Yeah, hello Fabian. I'm happy to be here, and I would like to take up the term setting assistant to introduce the new generation of our Wilo-Stratos PICO today.
Mm-hmm. The Stratos PICO has been on the market for some time, and you said this is a new generation. What's new?
Yeah, you're right. With this new generation, we bring it to a next level in terms of connectivity and intuitive operation. And this includes also a simple setting for each respective heating system. And there, our setting assistant can be mentioned especially.
Okay.
Our goal is always to make the installers work as comfortable as possible on site, because we know that the time factor is crucial on site.
Sounds interesting. Where will I find this pump?
Yeah, this pump is the premium circulating pump for all detached and semi-detached houses. And now, thanks to the even higher delivery head, it can be also installed in commercial or larger buildings.
Ah, cool. Okay, and what are the main advantages, general and compared to the previous model?
There are, of course, first the intuitive operation, especially thanks to the setting assistant just mentioned. Secondly, the Dynamic Adapt Plus control mode as a factory default. With this control mode, energy savings up to 20% can be achieved compared to the differential pressure control mode. And thirdly, the connectivity. On this pump, we integrated a universal interface to connect external modules.
Sounds great. You said intuitive operation. As I remember, the previous model was also easy to use and had a display, right?
Yeah, you're right. With the Stratos PICO, we always relied on a display. And also the green button technology is used throughout our entire portfolio. Okay. With this new full graphic color display, many things are even easier to see and to set up. And also we implemented a setting assistant, which most of our customers will probably know from the Stratos Maxo in a similar way. With this, the pump can be set up in just a few steps, as long as Dynamic Adapt Plus is not the initially intended control mode.
How is it done? Could you show it?
Yeah, of course. So we just go to the menu pump setting with the help of the green button.
Okay.
Here we can select either the setting assistant or the manual setting, where typical control modes like Dynamic Adapt Plus, Delta PV, Delta PC or constant speed are selectable.
Okay.
We decide for the setting assistant, and now we are asked for the number of radiators, or in case of underfloor heating, for the floor surface area that should be heated in square meter.
Okay. From my point of view, you don't enter the set point for the control?
Yeah, you're right. So with these values that are asked for here, really everyone has it right to hand. And when we select number of radiators, we can just turn the button intuitively, select the value, and then we are in a home screen again, and the pump is set up.
Okay.
And this procedure is also applied for underfloor heating, of course.
That's an easy and fast setup. Great. We see the home screen. What is shown here?
So on top, we see the set point, in this case 10 radiators. If for some reason the pump performance is not sufficient or even too high, we can quickly adjust it via an offset value here, in this example between 80 and 170%.
Okay.
And we can also select the control mode Delta PC, for example. And with this control mode, we can set up the respective delivery head also here via the home screen very quickly.
When I take a closer look, I see that there's a change of some information every few seconds. Why?
That's the current operating data. So here we can see the current delivery head, the volume flow, the speed, the power consumption and the energy consumption, which can be set to 0 via the menu.
Okay. I think the energy counter is important for house owners. They're interested in energy efficient pumps.
Yeah, house owners can be sure that they have a long-lasting and energy-efficient pump. And this energy efficiency was also tested and certified again by a third party.
Cool. Wilo-Stratos PICO has a complete new design. What is new compared to the previous model?
Yeah, for example, we have the Wilo connector put on the side here that during commissioning it cannot collide with shut-off valves or any other components.
Makes sense. As I remember, the old version has just the control functions like delta PC, delta PV and the night setback, right?
Yeah, and with this pump a lot of more functions were added, such as Dynamic Adapt Plus, the setting assistant I just have shown, and there's even a mode for pressure-independent control valves, which ensures that a minimum pressure is kept within the system even when the volume flow is low.
Cool. Can the pump also be controlled by mobile devices?
Yes, for sure. You just need the Wilo Smart-Connect module Bluetooth. This you just plug up here at the top of the pump, and then the installer has local access to the pump via Bluetooth. And he even can store his installer contact data onto the pump via the app. And in the event of a failure, this contact data is shown immediately on the pump display.
And how can I connect my mobile device?
This works via the Wilo Assistant app with the Smart Connect function.
Okay. I think now it's time for a short summary. The main advantages are the intuitive operation, energy efficiency, and the option to use an external module, for example, to set the pump or to read out operation data via Bluetooth. And in general, the pump can be set very quickly and easily. And with the setting assistant, I think the plumber, the installer, has a perfect solution. Thank you very much for all the information and for this great product.
It was a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. If you have any question, please contact us and follow our YouTube channel Wilo Group. Stay tuned for new videos. Take care and goodbye.